Start your journey to Igbo language mastery by building a 1000 Igbo Words foundation. Are you ready? See me in the class. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. You are welcome to Igbo class as we take you to a journey through learning 1000 Igbo words that makes it easy for you to speak the language fluently in a couple of months. In this episode, we're considering 3-letter words. Are you ready? Let's go. Looking at Igbo and the English meaning of the words. We begin right about now. Abo, basket. Abo, basket. Abo, song. Abo, song. Ada, daughter. Ada, daughter. Acha, tendon. Look at the tone. Acha, tendon. Afe, clothes. Afe, clothes. Afo, belly. Afo, belly. Agha, war. Agha, war. Agwa, character or color. Agwa, character. Agu, lion. Ao, alligator. Look at the sound. Ao, alligator. We'll go to the next page. And we're having aga, needle. Aga, needle. Agba, bag. Agba, bag. Aqua, egg. Aqua, egg. Aha, name. Aha, name. Aja, sand. Aja, sand. Akpu, cassava. Akpu, cassava. Aka, hand. Aka, hand. Ahụ, body. Ahụ, body. Ako, riches. Look at the tone, down tone. Ako, riches. The next word is also having the same spelling, but with a higher tone, pronounced as ako, not. Ako, not. So we have ako, ako. We'll go to the last page, which begin with ala, land. Ala, land. Ama, compound. Ama, compound. Amu, testicle, male organ. Amu, testicle. Anwụ, sun. Anwụ, sun. Anya, eyes. Anya, eyes. Apa, scare. Apa, scare, down tone. Asa, beautiful, as in asa nwanyị. Asa, beautiful. Ata, tear, is a type of grass. Ata, tear. Azụ, fish. Azụ, fish. And finally for today, aka, green snake. Aka, green snake. If you are watching us from YouTube and want more of this, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to catch our next upload. Our Facebook viewers are to join our group immediately for the next lesson. To support this project and help others to benefit, please like, share, and comment below. Daalụ nwanne m. Thank brothers and sisters. Chukwu gọzie gị. God bless you.